Breakpoints can be set on individual pages in ZAP using a couple different methods. So after you visited a page, it's going to appear in two different places in ZAP. So for example, we'll go visit the home page. Now if we go back into the menu tree, you'll see that those requests are going to be here in the tree menu. And you can set breakpoints from here by right-clicking and then saying break. You can specify whichever parameters you want, the pages you want, or any other parameters. You can also remove some of the restrictions. So for example, if we wanted to break on any page that was coming off of the index.php, no matter what the rest of the URL was, we can just take off that part and set that breakpoint. So now if we go back over to the site and we click on one of the links, what we're going to notice is that the page we're trying to visit is the login page, and it starts from index.php, and then page equals login causes the login page to load inside a frame. So that matches the pattern we picked, anything that starts with index.php, and the request has been trapped. You can also make the breakpoints from the history. So if you go over to the history and look at the last page that was visited, you'll notice that the pages are listed, and you can right click and click on break, and you'll be presented with the same dialog. So this dialog here is for the home page. If we save that, we now have a breakpoint on anything that is going to the index.php and loading inside the frame home.php with a pop-up notification equal to HPH0. So now if we click on the home page button, we'll see that. We'll have to release our previous breakpoint. Click on the home, go back over to ZAP, and you'll see that this new breakpoint has trapped a request going to the home page. So we can release that one. And now if we visit some page that doesn't match either pattern, so if we go, for example, over to this PDF here does not have index.php anywhere in the path, and the page parameter is not equal to home.php either, so it goes ahead and loads up this page without tripping one of the breakpoints.